Diode Machining is a leading provider of CNC machining, custom mechanical design, assembly service, and complex project analysis. With over 15 years of experience in production, material purchasing, and operation management, Diode combines advanced machinery, experienced engineers, and ISO 901-2015 certified quality control to deliver seamless solutions from prototyping to mass production. 4 primary factories, more than 50 sets of CNC machines equipped with 3, 4, 5-axis CNC machines. Strategically located in the heart of the precision machining hub, we benefit from the extensive supplier network, enabling us to deliver a wide range of value-added service to our clients. Diode has cooperated with 30 countries including the US, Canada, and Europe. Focused on precision and quality, we prioritize customer satisfaction through transparent communication and value-added service. With competitive pricing, full order capacity support, we become a trusted precision manufacturing partner for global clients.